my name is Julianna Morningstar. I am an intern with YLAT, as some of you might know from our previous videos, and I'm also a youth with experience. I'm an alumni of foster care, so that's a little bit about me. Today we're going to be talking about the Answers Handbook, what it is, who it's for, where you can find it, what's the gist, like what kind of content is there, as well as how you can be using it in your own life. And so we're going to start off with what it is. Basically, the Answers Handbook is a resource for like youth in care and adults to understand foster care and common questions that we all have about what foster care is, what like all these adults are that we don't really know right in the beginning. So it can be really helpful when you first entered care or when you know somebody who's just entered care to read over this. It was originally created by a team of 22 different young people in foster care, and they spent a whole 2-day summit in 1998 creating this handbook just for us to use now. So it's super special. It's specifically, this handbook is for youth that have experienced foster care and adult supports. Book is just packed with resources that are going to be helpful supports, and it's also going to inform you about a lot of different things, a lot of different policies about the Youth and Care Bill of Rights and the Sibling Bill of Rights, as well as like other resources like mental health resources and support for high school. So I wanted to share with you some of my favorite highlights. First of all, throughout the Answers Handbook, you're going to see different quotes from young people along the margins. People just kind of encouraging young people, and just these youth are filled with such wisdom. Everybody is. Everybody has wisdom to share, and so the youth that helped put this together and spoke about the handbook have some awesome quotes. I know that one person named Muriel at the age 17 said, "It's okay to be mad and sad. It's how you deal with it that counts." That same person also said, "Trust someone. You have to start somewhere." So there's just these really cool quotes in it that are really encouraging. One of my other favorite things is there's worksheets and like different areas where you can actually physically go and write in who like the contact people are for youth. It's really helpful. You also learn about things like what a family team meeting is and how it's focused on your safety and well-being and family connections. You also learn about resources that you might need to go and present yourself at court, or like not present yourself, but to show up at court and be there. There's also a lot of details about the teen conference and how you can get plugged in with YLAT and other youth that have experienced similar things that you've gone through. So the overall gist of this handbook is to know that youth can learn through this handbook who's in their corner, who's on their team, and how to advocate for themselves. You can find this at ylat.org/answers-handbook. After all, as Nicole says in the Answers Handbook, foster care doesn't make you less of a person, it makes you a stronger person.